Brightening and whitening teeth in Lightroom Classic can really make your portrait pop. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through step-to-step guide on how to add teeth whitening effect in Lightroom Classic. So the first thing you have to do is open Lightroom Classic, then go to develop model, then select the image you want to edit, then click on the adjustment brush tools, which is located in the tools strip underneath the histogram. Once you do that, in the adjustment brush panel, click on the effect drop down menu and select teeth whitening. These presets will automatically adjust the sliders for composure and saturations to give you a good starting point. Use the brush to paint over the teeth. You can adjust the brush feather or flow the density to ensure you only affect the teeth, not the surrounding areas. You can also manually adjust the slider for composure, saturation, and temperature to get the desired effect. Increase the composure slightly and reducing the saturation can help achieve a natural look. You can also use the backslash key, or you can toggle between the before and later review to see the difference between the whitening effect, and with that you'll be able to add a teeth whitening effect in Lightroom Classic. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.